Hey, what's going on, my fellow jewelers? So I have been pretty obsessed with resin jewelry pieces. Now, not to buy it, but I have been dying to make it. And I pretty much go over my Pinterest and I look at resin jewelry pieces and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, I really want to make it. So one day I was walking through Walmart with my family and I saw this jewelry kit on sale, this resin jewelry earring kit on sale. And my husband's like, just get it. You've been dying to try it. And so guess what? I totally got it. And I totally am trying it in this video today. Oh, you can see the light. Do you see my light? Ah, la, la, la. Catch the light. It's like a kitty. Meow, meow, meow. Anyway, and so I got this kit. It was only $9 on clearance. I saw it on Walmart. I was looking on walmart.com and it's actually $20 usually, but I'm super excited I got it for $9. And so I wanted to show you how easy it is to make it or how hard it is to make it. I had no idea. So I'm going along on this journey with you. I usually like to be a lot more professional and know what I'm doing, but in this case, I'm like, hey, let me try it out. And so I am trying it out with you today and I'm gonna tell you the truth, whether it works or not. So I'm excited to try it. I'm sure you're excited to see me try it, ha ha ha, like mess up. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to get notifications because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making. So you and me, let's get started. Oh my, let's get started. So this is what came with the kit besides the gloves and the cups. Now you have your colors you can add. They gave you 4 colors, a pink, a gold, a green, and a blue. They gave you foil, like the silver foil and gold foil. I don't know how to use it. I tried it and just broke apart. So I'm going to be interested because I'm going to do the silver foil with it. And then they gave you some of the sticks, stir sticks, and of course your epoxy, your A and your B. And so the first thing they said to do is to put in 2 cups. So I have my 2 cups right here. Put in 2 cups, equal amounts. And so I have my line on it so I know where to stop. And they said just make enough that will fit into the molds. I'm like, well, I don't know how much is going to fit into the molds. Now the instructions are pretty good for the most part. They're pretty detailed, yet they are not detailed in some areas. So they're detailed in the steps, but not detailed in like the application, like about the pouring. Do you just pour a lot in? Do you pour a little? Like they didn't give like numbers or anything. And so that's a little stressful for me doing it for the first time. I like numbers. I like to know quantities, but we're gonna do this. It said to do equal parts. I don't want to use it all, but I might just go to, oh my goodness, they don't tell you nothing. Okay, we're not going to go to my line. There's another line on the cup I'm going to, because I want to kind of save it for later and do some more, but they don't really tell you how much to do. They don't give quantities. Come on now. And so I'm going to go to my B part. I didn't go to the line on my A. I just went to this ridge right here, and they're the same cup, so I'm going to go to the ridge on my B. Yeah, this is interesting. I've always wanted to do this and stuff, but we will see. Here we go. Okay. And then also, what if I like doing this? Where do I get more product in? You know, there's just a lot of questions I do have still, even though the directions are pretty darn good. I just have more questions. Okay. So now I got my A and my B, and now I'm going to put A with B, and they said to get as much of it as possible so they're still equal parts. So I am going to get this in there as much as possible. All of it. All right, I feel like I got as much as I could. I feel like they need to give you a mini spatula. And then they said to mix it for 3 to 5 minutes. You mix it together for 3 to 5 minutes. They didn't say like, look for this or that. They just said mix to 3 to 5 minutes. And so I am going to mix this puppy for 3 to 5 minutes. And after you do that, you add in your color. I'm pretty excited about the color. I'm actually going to use half clear and half blue because I kind of want it to kind of have an ombre looking from dark blue to clear. So we're going to see how that works. So I'm going to be mixing this for 3 to 5 minutes. Tick, 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 tock, 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 tick, 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 tick. Okay, I've been mixing for a while. I didn't bring a timer. I should have brought a timer. And they said, make sure there's no air bubbles. It's only air bubbles. I feel like it's just bubbles. I don't know what to do with that. And I keep reading and looking. And so they said to stir slowly, which was probably my fault. I'm probably a little bit more vigorous than I should be. Vigorous, you know. So I mixed it, but it's all bubble. It's kind of pretty though. Ouch. Yeah, I just have bubbles and they're just staying there and I don't know what to do with them. Do I keep stirring? Like the directions, again, are detailed, but not, I still have a lot of questions. So I'm gonna see if if I can get more bubbles out. They said if you want to do color, and I want to do a clear and a color to separate and put it in different cups. So I actually am gonna try to do half and half because I want to do clear and I want to do like a blue. So they don't give instructions. Come on now, this is my first time. I'm a newbie. I want to put blue in here, but they don't say how much blue. They said, now add your color. Okay, how much color do I add? I mean, is there a lot? I'm sure for those that have done this billions and billions of times, you're cringing at my technique, and I apologize. You can comment below and tell me what I did wrong because I have no clue, and no one's here to teach me. So I am just following instructions. So I'm going to mix this and see how I like it. I added some blue. I'm adding a little bit more of this beautiful color. And then it just said, if you want to do two colors, just put them in the same time. Well, seriously? Like, again, instructions are not very great. Kind of on my own. And then I want to add some silver to it. I don't know how to, and you were seeing me wing it, but the silver's, oh no, I got too much silver. No! Oh, it stuck all in my hand. This is not what I wanted. Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, you're getting a lot. You're getting mostly all my silver. So I am literally getting it everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, I mean, do I do it at the same time? Maybe I should try doing it the same. No, this is going to be bad. No, I don't know what to do. And this is really bubbly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Pouring a little now. Okay, before it goes everywhere. Then can I mix them together? Okay, we're doing it. I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. I think I need a little bit more. Yeah, just, oh my gosh, they don't tell you nothing. Okay, they tell you a little bit. Okay, here we go. And then I kind of want a little ombre look. Okay. What do you think? Yeah, I did it. Okay. It ain't so bad. Okay. I still have really lots of molds to go. I have lots of juice left. So you saw me pour. So if you're doing two colors, pour and then pour, I guess, or pour at the same time. I don't know. I just did one after the other. It's really pretty. I'm really kind of liking it. I kind of want a little bit more. So I am going to try to use these guys and pour it in the rest. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that in fast motion. So go ahead and watch that. So I have made a complete mess of everything. I'm telling you, the instructions are pretty good for people that know what they're doing. And I have no idea what I'm doing. And so I made a huge mess. And it said to wipe off the excess goop. Goopy like that. And so anyway, we have to let it dry for 24 hours. So by the time you see me take it out, it'll be 24 hours. That is the beauty of YouTube magic. I just didn't know how much would go in each mold. And so I'm trying to clean up my mess. And then, yeah, so just clean up. It looks pretty cool. I like the effect of the clear to the dark. Now, the problem was when I was pouring and I got too much, it would go into the next mold, which is pretty bummering, but I don't think it messed up too bad. But anyway, so yeah. So let's go on to 24 hours from now. Tick, 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 tick. Yeah. Okay, these have dried for 24 hours. They're looking cute. I had so much extra that I poured it on every single mold. I'm not going to use every single mold because I messed up on a couple. I found out that I have a couple bubbles. I did not see these bubbles. It's so interesting. I didn't see these bubbles because they said to use a pick or a toothpick or a pin to get the bubbles out, and I saw them when they dried, and I was like, well, those don't look good. So I'm definitely not going to use some. I'm in love with these teardrops, these guys, and there's extra resin all over. But I'm gonna start taking them out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is totally my first time, and I can see some things I would do different. Like this edge is pretty high. And but this is pretty fabulous. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's check out this guy. Oh my word. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Okay. I'm kind of in love with this process. I'm kind of obsessed. I was even looking online last night to see where I can get more of these guys. If you are interested, I would totally get this kit to try it out to see if you like it. And then I found some more of this stuff that you can buy straight out from Walmart. They give 8 ounces or 16 ounces. These are actually 3.38 fluid ounces. And they actually make a lot. Like, I'm surprised how much they make. So I'm excited to try more. So then let's make an earring. Let me show you how to make an earring with the teardrop. So what you're gonna do is, they've already given you, the things you need to make your earrings, but I just feel like these jump rings they gave you are way too big. These are way too big. Look at that. Like, that's ridiculous how big that is. It'd be way too big for this. So I already have jump rings I bought from Walmart, and they're a lot smaller, as you can see. See in the comparison, that's actually the biggest jump ring in my little jump ring kit that I have. And so I'm gonna use a smaller one. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tools, and I'm gonna take my long nose pliers, my round nose pliers, and I'm gonna open up my jump ring, and then I'm gonna put it on my earring piece. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. You do need pretty big ones. You do need pretty big jump rings, I must say. Because it is pretty thick, unless you make it thinner, which I don't know yet. And then you're gonna put your shepherd's hook on, and then you're going to close it up. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, and there you have your earring right there. And then I already have another earring made right here, so I can't wait to wear these. Okay, let's go to the outro and let's talk about things I've learned and things that I would recommend to you. Okay, let's go. Okay, these are pretty spectacular. I do like these. Yep, super cute. And then there's these. Yep, those, look at these. Oh my goodness, these are super cute too. I love them. I'm kind of obsessed with the process, right? Yes. So what do you think about the kit? Big old thumbs up, comment, share, like. I love to hear your thoughts. So for me, this is what I've learned from this handy dandy kit of mine. One, I do love the process. I'm actually really excited that I tried the kit out. Now I know I love it and I want to do more of it. Haha, I just rhymed, love it, more of it. But here's the thing, with these instructions to this kit, it gave a lot of detail, but not in the numbers I needed. So it's like, okay, just add equal parts. Well, that's great. That's good. I can add equal parts, but how much should I do for the mold? Should I do like a little bit an ounce? Should I do like 1 ounce, 2 ounces? Like, how many ounces do I do? I made a huge mess because I made way too much. I didn't know how much actually fit in each mold, but it was worth it. It was a fun process, and I would totally, absolutely do it again, and I would recommend it to you. If you want to try this out, get a beginner's kit. Don't go all full board, full on 100%. I would just recommend getting a kit like this. I'll even put the link in the description below for this kit, and you can try it out for yourself. If this is something you do often, can you put some tips in the description below? Can you put some tips in the comments, not in the description below, in the comments? So I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want me to do more reviews, totally put that in the comments. Say, hey Des, more reviews, we love it. Or we like, Des, never do that again, ever. ever do that again. Anyway, so before I go, you know I love praying for my viewers. Today, I just felt like the Lord wanted me to pray that you would receive God's creativity, that God is a creative God. He made the earth, he made the color. He loves colors, like the bright colors, the dark colors. He loves colors. He loves different things and being creative. And I just felt like there's things that maybe you have like writer's block or artistic block, right? You're struggling to make things or do things. And I'm going to pray that God gives you the ideas, because he's so creative and he wants to pour into you. So God, I thank you that you're so creative, that you love colors, you love art, you love creating with us. And so Lord, for those that are struggling to kind of like get to the next idea or knowing, even with writing and stuff or other things, they may make commercials, they may do jewelry or other very artsy things. God, I pray you give them ideas, God. Put creativity in their head and may they create with you. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love doing this video with you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!